Ever wanted to run a badge and you just have no idea how to run it? You've done your Scout Forum or your Cub Pack, LogChew, and the Beavers Cub Scouts Explorers have suggested they want to do a particular badge that they've never done before. And you, as a scout leader, look at your other assistant scout leaders going, I have no idea how we're going to run this. But before I dive into it and tell you how to run that badge, please like this video and spread the love of Big Man of the Woods around the universe. And get more scout leaders involved. So how do I crack getting those scout badges run with my scouts? Well, simply, I ask the parents. I try at the beginning of the term, or even when a new scout enrolls in my scouts, to find out what their job is. So maybe they're a mechanic, a paramedic, fireman, fitness instructor, musician, they're in a local band. Maybe they're a baker or a chef and they can do your cooking badge. It's about asking for help, and if you don't ask, you'll never know. And those badges that you struggle to run, such as the mechanic's badge, I'm not very good with cars, and I wouldn't want my scouts dabbling in with my cars, changing the brake pads and oil or whatever they got to do. Where you can ask a parent who has their own, garage around the corner that you could do it. Maybe an uncle works for a bike shop and can do the bike repair badge with you guys. So my advice is ask the parents, what's your job? Do you have anything interesting? They may think that their job is rubbish or not that interesting at all, but you never know. Maybe you find out that, the dad or the mom is a IT engineer, does a whole lot of coding, and then you can get them to do the digital makers badge, for instance, So find out what they do for work and see if you can get them in to run a badge. They might not have to run the whole night, so you run the games or whatever, and they just come in and do the actual badge work. So maybe they're there for 45 minutes, an hour, and they come in once or maybe twice a week. There we are, bingo. Those badges that you find really hard to run are covered. And also on the flip side of that, maybe that parent, that auntie, uncle, grandma, grandfather, whoever is involved in coming to that badge work, think actually scouts is quite fun. Maybe this is for me. Fishing rod, hook them in, and you will see them come. Yeah? Again, it's a bit like everything. When you need help, ask directly. Don't put a mass email out saying, I need you, I need this, can someone do this? Go to that parent and say, I know you're a fitness instructor, so could you come in and help run the fitness badge? I know you're an artist. I know you're a cartoonist. Go to that parent directly, get them in. So if you're having trouble running those badges, ask for help. Simple as that. Talking about help, if you're needing some new games ideas for the new year, watch this playlist here. I've got some game suggestions for you in your sections.